how to activate Windows security on Windows 10 and 11. Click on the start button, click on the settings, click on the settings. First we need to update your Windows, so we click on Windows Update. You click on Windows Update. Why do we need to even do this? Why do we need to even do this? We need to do this so that it can protect our computer from hackers. It can protect our computer from hackers. Windows security helps to detect and remove viruses, spyware, ransomware, and other harmful software before they damage your computer. It monitors your computer continuously and makes sure it blocks every immediate threat when they try to enter your system. You see, so you need to update your computer regularly. You need to update your computer regularly. So as you can see, I don't have much problem. I'm up to date. But in case your own is not updated, you see that you will not see this green tick over here. That means you need to update your computer. This is already inbuilt. It's inbuilt Microsoft Defender that prevents unauthorized users from entering or accessing your computer through the internet. So this is very, very important. You need to update your computer constantly to prevent this. And let's go to privacy and security. Privacy and security. Right now, your computer could be under attack and you might not even know. You might not even know. That is the reason why we are doing all this. Now click on Windows security. As you can see, now look at the screen carefully. You can see green check marks beside all these protection areas. These green ticks simply mean the computer is very safe and fully protected. Look at the first one. It says virus and threat protection. This means your antivirus is very active and protecting your computer from viruses, malware, and ransomware. No action needed. That means you are safe. And look at account protection. The account protection here also shows your account security is very strong, and your sign in and password protection are working properly. So you need to check all this. And the next one is the firewall and network protection. This means your firewall is on and it is blocking hackers and unauthorized access from the internet. This is good when you have this. The apps and the browser control. This also protects you from browsing the internet. It blocks dangerous websites and harmful downloads. And finally, look at the device security. This also means your device hardware security feature is working properly. You see, so you need to watch device performance and health. This section also check if your computer is running smoothly and give reports about updates, the battery life, the storage, everything. You see, so you need to also check this regularly. As long as you see these green ticks and no action needed, your Windows security is fully active and protecting your computer. It's fully active and protecting your computer. If you see any yellow or red warning instead of the green, if you see any yellow or green warning instead of the greens over here, and that means your computer needs action immediately. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye bye.